Today, I'm going to show you how to write an article with ChatGPT in a simple, effective, and repeatable way. If you've ever stared at a blank page and didn't know where to start, this workflow will help you turn one idea into a polished article much faster. We're going to use ChatGPT step by step, starting with research, then outlining, then drafting, and finally polishing the finished piece. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials just like this one. The first thing you want to do is open ChatGPT in your browser by going to chatgpt.com. Once the page loads, sign in if needed, and get ready to start a new chat. The key to writing a strong article with ChatGPT is not asking for everything at once. Instead, you want to break the process into stages so the results stay clear, accurate, and easier to edit. Start by defining the role or persona you want ChatGPT to use. Click into the message box and give it a clear instruction like this. You are an expert investigative journalist. Help me research this topic. You can replace that with any role that fits your article, such as marketing expert, blog writer, teacher, analyst, or editor. This matters because the persona shapes the tone, depth, and style of the response. Next, ask ChatGPT to build an outline. A strong outline gives you structure before you start writing the full article. You can type a prompt like, create a comprehensive outline for a 1,000-word article on this topic. Include a hook, 3 main body sections, and a conclusion. This helps ChatGPT organize the information into a clean framework that is much easier to expand later. After ChatGPT gives you the outline, review it carefully. Look for anything missing, anything too broad, or anything that needs more detail. If you want to improve it, simply reply with a follow-up like, add a section about this specific detail. You can keep refining until the outline matches exactly what you want. This back and forth is one of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT properly because it helps you shape the article before writing the full draft. Now that you have the structure, move into drafting the article section by section. Do not ask ChatGPT to write the entire article in one go if you want better quality. Instead, start with the introduction. A good prompt would be, write the introduction based on the outline. Use a professional yet engaging tone. Keep it under 150 words. That gives ChatGPT a clear goal, a tone direction, and a length limit. Once the introduction is done, continue with the next section of the outline. Repeat the process for each part of the article one at a time. This method keeps the writing focused and helps you maintain control over the final result. It also makes it much easier to edit weak sections later, because you can work on one part without rewriting everything. After the draft is complete, it's time to polish it. One of the best ways to improve an article with ChatGPT is to use a critique prompt. Paste the full article back into the chat and ask it to point out 3 areas where the argument is weak or needs more evidence. This is extremely helpful for identifying gaps, unclear claims, or places where your writing needs more support. You can also ask ChatGPT to improve clarity, shorten long paragraphs, make the tone more conversational, or rewrite sections for a specific audience. For example, you might ask it to make the article more beginner-friendly, more persuasive, more SEO-friendly, or more concise. The more specific you are, the better the result will be. If you want even better articles, remember 3 simple rules. First, give ChatGPT a clear goal. Second, provide enough context so it understands what the article is about. Third, add constraints like word count, tone, audience, and format. Those details turn a generic response into a much more useful draft. You can also ask for examples, headings, bullet points, or a conclusion that matches your style. By using ChatGPT in a structured way, you can go from topic to outline to full article without wasting time. It is not just about generating text, it is about guiding the model like an assistant so the final article sounds more intentional, more useful, and more polished. So that's how to write an article with ChatGPT using a simple multi-step workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI tutorials, prompt tips, and productivity walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.